Hola clase, yo soy la señora Wu. Hoy vamos a hacer algo especial. We are going to do an unboxing today. So this is a box called the Broken Piñata box, which I ordered a few months ago. And I was going to give these out to my students, but then we had to all stay away from school because of COVID-19. So instead, I thought I would make an unboxing video to show you what I got. So we've got Swinkles, Salsaghetti, Manita de la Suerte. It's a little hand lollipop. You've got Bomba Chile, chili powder. Tamboreta elote. Pulpa chamoy. Looks spicy. Semáforos. It's another lollipop. Tamboreta mango. Lucas panzón. Cacahuate estilo japonés. These are peanuts. Mini pulparindo. These are made of tamarind. This is a really popular flavor in Latin American candies. Paleta limon. Another kind of lollipop. Bubbaloo Extreme. It's dulce de tejocote, salado y enchilado. Got a couple of de la rosa. These have peanuts in them as well. Oh, that's another pulparindo, a smaller one. Tarrito. We have Miguelito. Looks like some sugar and salt and some spices. Lucas Muecas. Reyarindos. It's another tamarind flavor. Rocaleta. Pinta Azul. Has a little paintbrush shape. Rebanaditas. These are kind of a standard lollipop that you find. So many. This one's got a liquid inside. Some more powder. Tilico. There's a watermelon flavor. Sandia. Got our standard chicle. Bubble gum. Kind of like a spicy pixie stick. Had lots of little candies as well. Lucas mango flavor. Tamarind pulp. duvalin. They have a little spatula for you to eat with. Pelo rico. You can see it pushes out the top like hair. Pelo. So if you could try any of these, which one would you choose? Gracias, clase. Adiós.